how to change Amazon delivery address after order. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can change your Amazon delivery address after order, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change your Amazon delivery address after making the order, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply go here. First of all, make sure to launch the Amazon shopping app here, and let's say you've already ordered something but then you entered an incorrect delivery address. So how can you change that delivery address? Well, there are two things that you can do. You cannot actually go ahead and then basically delete that address. What you can actually do is simply make sure to cancel that order and make a new order with a proper delivery address this time. So for that, you can just come to this little account profile page here and then just tap the your orders option. If you're lucky, you should be able to cancel the order depending upon what order you've made. Now the other is, if you want to actually go ahead and then figure out what you can do, the only thing you can do is just simply contact the customer care. Now you can either tap this little X icon from here to talk to Amazon customer support team, or you can just tap the three lines option here, go to customer service department, select a reason as to why you're contacting, and you should be able to contact with them live chat. So once done, they should be able to help you with further issues. So this way you'll be able to change the Amazon delivery address after order. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.